Now in this section, we're just going to look at some of the browser and hardware issues you need to think about. So the first thing you need to consider is the fact that there are different browsers. There's things like Google, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Explorer, lots of different browsers. You must make sure that you check your website in each one of these different browsers. You might find sometimes it works fine in, say, 3 of them, but maybe the other 2 not so well. So just check them periodically. What you can do is go to these different addresses if you don't already have these and install them. They'll all quite happily work side by side, so what I generally do is I install all the different browsers and I have little icons on the desktop and I just fire up each one in turn and just check each single page on the website looks okay. Now, as well as the different types of browsers, the other thing you need to consider are that there are different versions of each browser. So it's important to check that all the latest versions of the browsers work fine with your website, but also if possible, check using some of the earlier versions of the browsers. Another thing to consider is the screen resolution. So obviously you need to think about mobile screens, you need to think about tablets, you need to think about desktops and laptops, and also things like smart TVs. So all of these, if possible, try and check them out. And again, there are various websites where you can either simulate or check your website in particular resolutions and just see how it looks. So to say, it's vitally important you do check that everything works well on a mobile.